All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:30 in the morning of March 24th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So I haven't done my risk ranges yet, so I'm going to go through and plug in what the risk ranges are for the day. So here's the 10-year. Got a high side at 2.42 on the 10-year today, and downside of 1.92. And so you can see here that we're pretty close to the top end of the range, which has been going on now, for quite a few days, quite some time. The top end of the risk range keeps going up. But that's the way it goes sometimes. All right, here we go on the SPX. 45.28 is the top end on the SPX. That's lower than previous. And the low end on the SPX here is 4112. I'll put that on the E-mini as well. Four, 528. Yeah, the lower high. That's good. I think it's nice to have a degree of confidence in which direction to trade, and when I see the high end come down off of a previous high, 14179. That's an indicator that it's going to be probably a more bearish day than usual in these times. Right now, 12401. The bottom end came up a little bit on that one. Let's see where we are. I think we're over. Yeah, we're quite a bit. 300 points over top. 300 points over the top end of the risk range here. So probably be a good opportunity to go after tech today. 14179. And low end 12401. I'll go to the VIX here. This will be the most interesting one, I think. 2131. So it's a lower low on the VIX. 2130, not 2131. 2130. Let's see what the high end on the VIX is here. 3410. So that's a lower high on the VIX. It's very interesting. I drew this support and resistance line here yesterday on the VIX, and so it's come down below that. It'll be interesting to see what happens today if it pops back above that level. I'm going to put an alarm on it. See if it breaks through or something today. The dollar, let's see, the dollar is still bullish on the dollar. There it is. High end is at 99.47. And the low end is at 97.83. All right. And let's see. Gold. Yeah, I guess I'll do gold. Got a high end on gold at 20.25 or 2025. And a low end at 1896. So kind of a little bit closer to the bottom end here on the top on gold. Yeah, I don't really like to trade gold that much. And then let's see, Amazon and Tesla. So the consensus on Amazon and Tesla is now neutral. It's gone from bearish to neutral. So although it's close to the high end of its range right now, that could mean that it's going to go sideways for a little bit. And let's see, the high end on Tesla, 1042. Yeah, Tesla's gone neutral as well. The low end is at 721. I imagine, though, if we see another bout of volatility, which isn't out of the question, volatility right now is quite elevated. I mean, here we are on, above 20 at 23.49 right now. Let's see, pre-market. Where are we? Pre-market. Pre-market. Yeah, SPYs and the Qs and the Russell are up just a bit here. Tesla is definitely up. Tesla just opened that factory in Germany. And so, Elon Musk, there was a video of him dancing at the factory, which is pretty neat. So, yeah, right. That's what's going on for the day. It's probably, I'm still waiting for bearish setups. And, yeah, yesterday I was able to trade, let's see, and I've been concentrating on the Qs. And so throughout these days right here, there have only been, I think I managed to trade, I traded on, of course, this day right here, and then I traded on this day right here, and then this day right here, and then yesterday. And I haven't been getting, I've only gotten like one setup on each of those days. I've only gotten one setup, pretty much, except for this day here on the 14th. I got more than one setup. But I mean, otherwise, really, it's been pretty slow. The bear side has been slow. Obviously, the bullish setups have been a lot more abundant. So I'm still looking for the bearish side of things. I'm still looking for bear setups. And as long as the price of the Qs, as long as the Qs don't break above 369 here, which is not too far away from, it's not very far away from this at all. Let's see here real quick. Let's see how close or far away I am from, or in percentage terms. From yesterday's close up here to this is only another 5% away, But if it comes up and it breaks those levels, then it's bullish. That's what the sentiment is going to be. For the time being, though, it's the trend is bearish, and until that changes, the trend is your friend. So I will be looking for bearish setups on the Qs and bullish setups on oil and gold. Now I probably won't play gold, but anyway, I just don't like trading gold. Oil provides more opportunities. And here's the spread on the 10-year and the 2-year, and we are 0.24 percentage points away, or the spread is 0.24%. That's a tiny amount of percent for it to invert. So it's really close to inverting here. Look at this. Let's put it on the weekly here and see what we wind up with. Yeah, look, it looks like it's trying to bottom right in here. Looks like it's trying to make a bottom right here, maybe pull back up again. But this is definitely headed downward. Who knows? It could bottom right in here. Who knows? So, yeah, look, this is 1989, before the 90s recession. Here's 2001, before the 2001 recession, the dot-com bubble. And here's before 08, Now, here's before the pandemic, right in here. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. This is definitely a very bearish indicator. So, all right, everybody. That's my pre-market strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.